Dear friends, this is me Agya Madhya, and in this video I am going to show you a simple project in LDR. For this project we need LDR, Arduino Uno, jumper wires, breadboard and one LED light of any color. LDR means light dependent resistor, which is used to see presence of light. For example, traffic light. I have connected VCC wire to 5 volt of Arduino Uno, GND with GND of Arduino Uno, DO with 13 number digital pin of Arduino Uno. Now I will connect long leg of LED with 13 number pin and short leg of LED with GND. We do not need resistor here because LED is not raw. We do not need resistor because LDR is not raw. Now I will explain it. First, I have chosen when green flag clicked. Forever block. Inside I have taken set light value. Light value is variable which I given the name. To make variable, click make variable from variable blocks. Then I have taken if else block here. You can see light value is less than 400. Light will not glow. If light value is more than 400, light will glow. Here you can see I have set pin 13, which means I have connected long leg of LED pin with Arduino Uno. Now I will show the demonstration. Now I will click green flag. You can see when I cover the LDR sensor, light will glow and Toby will show more value than 400. And when I remove my hand, light will not glow and Toby will show less than 400. Now you can see when I cover LDR sensor with my hand, the LED will glow. When I will remove my hand, the LED will not glow. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Hope you like my video. Bye bye.